Real estate term of the day, percentage lease. A percentage lease you see in big malls, right? Huge malls. And what this is that the management company and the tenant get together and they work out a lease agreement. This lease agreement is based on sales. So if you sell this amount, this is going to be the lease. And this is usually the way it goes. At the end of the year, they have to go sit down with the management company and they're going to go over their sales. How much did you sell? Okay, let's just use an example. Let's say you were supposed to sell $1 million a year. It's a Macy's or something like that, a huge corporation. And they sold 1.5 million, right? So 1.5 million. So the following year, that $500,000 that they sold more, they're going to have to roll that into their new lease based on a percentage. The percentage is negotiated 2%, 3%, 5%. So let's just look at 5%. So 5% of $500,000 is $25,000, and $25,000 divided by 12 is going to be 2,083. So the following year, whatever their base rent is, they're going to pay their base rent plus $2,083. Some malls do it monthly, some malls do it yearly. Most malls do it yearly because imagine every month going to sit down with a tenant and finding out how much did you sell, how much you didn't sell. So I would assume that's very troublesome. So I'm pretty sure it is a 1 year sit down that you have to renegotiate your lease for the following year. But you only see this in big malls. By the way, that applies to everyone. So the big stores, they have to pay a percentage, just like the little guy has to pay a percentage. Until next time, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website.